We all want to socialize in restaurants again, but before we can get back to business, we need to set up some systems to keep customers safe. BrightMenu provides establishments with a touchless solution that enables customers to display a menu on their personal mobile devices. Here's how it works. Customers connect to a BrightSign player via Wi-Fi, then scan a printed QR code to view the menu. BrightMenu runs on any phone with a browser, and any number of patrons can view a menu at once. Connecting and viewing the menu does not require an internet connection, app download, or even HD display. The solution works because the menu's hosted directly on a player that acts as a web server. This video shows how to set up a player to run BrightMenu and nearcast your restaurant's menu throughout the location so that customers can view the menu from their phones. All you need to get started with BrightMenu is a BrightSign player with a Wi-Fi module and the BrightMenu software available from BrightSign.biz. If you don't have a player already, we highly recommend ordering the BrightMenu kit. The BrightMenu kit includes an LS4 player with a pre-installed Wi-Fi module and an 8GB microSD card that's loaded with the BrightMenu presentation for a plug-and-play experience. If you're using an existing player, make sure to factory reset the device and copy the BrightMenu software directly to an exFAT or FAT32 formatted microSD card. Go ahead and insert the SD card into the player and apply power. Installing BrightMenu will take a few minutes. Optionally, you can connect your player to a display to check if BrightMenu is installed properly and assist in the rest of the setup, but a display is not required. With the installation complete, BrightMenu is now nearcasting throughout your establishment. Now let's set up your menu. Go ahead and use your phone to snap a photo or photos of the physical menu. These will be the images customers see, so make sure to photograph your menu properly. The easiest way to photograph a menu is to take a series of vertically oriented photos of the different sections. Make sure you take the photos in order because this will allow your customers to scroll through the menu. Now, visit your Wi-Fi settings and join My Menu Network. Next, open a browser and visit my.menu/admin. Under Upload Menu, tap Choose Files. Now select the photo of the menu that you just took and tap Upload. You can also choose your own JPEG or PNG as the menu. This will require that you have the file saved to your phone. You can even use the provided menu template to customize your menu, save it as a JPEG or PNG, and transfer it to your phone. Check out the documentation on creating a menu file for details. Now select your menu image or images by checking the appropriate boxes. Also, uncheck the box next to the BrightMenu instructions. The next time you scan the QR code or visit my.menu in a browser, you will see your restaurant's menu. Now let's customize and secure your touchless menu. Visit my.menu/admin in your browser again. For the hostname, make sure there's a period in the title. For example, if your restaurant's called Nature Organic, natureorganic.menu would follow an appropriate naming convention. Under SSID, change the name to something similar. For example, you could name the network Nature Organic Network. Press Set Value to apply the new names. Please note that this will reboot your player to configure it with the new settings. Because you updated the SSID, you will need to go back to your Wi-Fi settings and join the updated network. By default, this admin portal does not require a password, but we highly recommend you add one now. Once specified, the next time you visit my.menu/admin, enter admin as the username and the password you just specified. Press and hold the QR code to save the image to your phone for later use. As a final step, you can open the BrightMenu placard template doc from the BrightMenu support documents and edit the document with the new network name and QR code. Finally, print out this document and place it visibly throughout your establishment. With BrightMenu, customers can easily and safely access a touchless menu completely independent of the internet, regardless of things like carrier fees, data plans, compatibility issues, or outages. In these uncertain times, we must accept that many things will never be the same. But with the right planning and effort, it's going to be even better. BrightSign, the most valuable player.